I'm Neely.
And I'm V, and we chose to do our presentation on sickle cell anemia.
Mutation, it's an autosomal recessive mutation in hemoglobin. It affects the liver, heart, kidneys, gallbladder, eyes, and bones. Sickle red blood cells live only 10 to 20 days instead of the normal 120 days. Point mutation, it changes in just one nucleotide, and it cuts off circulation.
Our Punnett square is, since it is dominant recessive, and the mutation allele is recessive, and the normal allele is dominant, our parent cross was a carrier and a person who had the mutation. So the offspring would be 50% normal and 50% have the mutation.
Some symptoms include sudden pain in the chest and joints, which you'd have to go to the hospital a lot for like treatment or whatever. Dizziness, fatigue, and low oxygen in the body. And then we got some pictures. And you'd be like shorter than other people, which I'm short, but not because of that, so yeah.
It mainly occurs in West and Central Africa, whereas many as 25% of the population has it there. But more than 100 million people worldwide have the sickle cell trait. But it is sort of a good thing in Africa because it protects against malaria. So people are living with sickle cell disease, and not dying from malaria.
Prognosis, they usually only live to be like 50. Very susceptible to infections. My life, if I had it, would be different because I probably want to do cheerleading because it affects your joints a lot and I want to be able to jump. I'd miss a lot of practices and I'd miss a lot of school because I'd be like in pain in the morning and just want to be able to go. So, you know. And like if I had a kid with this, it would be really hard to like watch them because they wouldn't get to do all the stuff that like their friends did. So that'd be pretty sad to watch them go through.
And for treatment, and since it's a genetic disorder, it has no cure, but they can do blood transfusions and marrow stem transplants to help with symptoms. Also, they can take morphine and penicillin for pain and not be as susceptible to infections. And the type of doctor they normally see is a hematologist because they're experts in hemoglobin and how that works.
Oh, any questions?